Hi everyone. In this video, you will learn how to change the brightness of an image using CSS. So as you can see, I got two images here. This one is the default image, and after increasing its brightness using CSS, I got this sort of output. So this is what you're going to achieve in this video. So let's get started. I'm using VS Code as my code editor. I already got an image file here, image.jpg. Let's create an index file, index.html. Let's have a basic HTML structure. Add a link to the style sheet. It will be style.css. Here we need a div element, and it will have two image elements. Remove this part. Source will be image.jpg. Copy it and paste it here, and give it a class of bright. Save it. Now create a style sheet here, style.css. Select body element. Background color will be dark slate gray. Select div element. Margin top will be 50 pixels. Display will be flex. Justify content will be center. And gap will be 50 pixels. Select image element, give it a height of 250 pixels, width will be same, 250 pixels, border will be 1 pixel solid black, and border radius will be 5 pixels. Save it. Now let's open this file in the browser to see the output. And this is the output. Now let's increase the brightness of this image. For that, we need to go to code editor, select bright class, and here we'll use the filter property and the brightness function. In this case, I want to increase the brightness, so I'll provide 150%. Save it. Now go to browser. So you can see the brightness is increased. In a similar way, if you want to decrease it, keep it below 100%. Let's make it 70. Save it. And this is the output. So whenever you want to increase the brightness, keep the value above 100. And whenever you want to reduce the brightness, keep the value below 100. So I hope you understood how to achieve this. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.